Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making some simple peanut butter bloom cookies. So there's only a few ingredients for this, and you should be able to do it. So what you're going to need is a cup of peanut butter. You want to make sure you got kind of like a national brand, so you make sure you got some good quality peanut butter, unless you really know that your store brand does really good. But this is Jif or Peter Pan, stuff like that would be good for this. You want to make sure you get the regular peanut butter, not the reduced fat, because you're going to need the fat in the peanut butter for this recipe. So 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, that's your regular sugar, teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, room temperature, so you're gonna have to have this sitting out for a while for the room temperature, and about 30 Hershey's Kisses, milk chocolate kisses. So I got the Hershey's, at least that should be, yep. So we're gonna get this going, and I got the oven preheating at 350, and got myself a bowl for mixing, and my little mixer, handy mixer. So we're gonna get this going on. So here we go, guys. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do is put our peanut butter and our sugar in the old bowl here. So I got a cup of peanut butter. We'll get it in here. So see if I can get it all in there. That might be the best I can do with this peanut butter. I don't really like wasting it, but alright. Now we'll put our sugar in there, and now we're gonna get this ready to go. So what we're gonna want is for this to get mixed in there real good, and then we're going to want it to get nice and fluffy. Alright, so there we go. So now we'll crack open our egg. That looks kind of fluffy to me. So we'll crack open our egg, put that over there, put our vanilla extract in there, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, now we're gonna get this mixed in. we'll set this aside here. Alright, let's see here. Now, what we're going to do is get our thing here. So let me go get the pan and I'll lay it down here, baking sheet, and we'll do the next step here. Okay guys, we got our baking sheet, and we're just going to put some parchment paper on here. You can just put it right down on there, but I'm going to use the baking sheets here. But let me put this here, and what we want to do is just take these about 1.25" balls and just roll it on there and put them on here. Okay. I don't know if I'll get it about right, but it should work. You want them about 2 inches apart. So I'm gonna put them in here. Okay. So Alright, so I'm going to finish this pan up, and then we'll put them in the oven here. So let me finish this up, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, I got roughly about 2 inches apart, maybe less. So hopefully it don't spread out too far. But we're going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll try to put the conversion for those who don't live in the States to the census, or yeah. Okay, well, we'll 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes until about the top is starting to crack. So when that down comes out, I'll see you in about 10 minutes, and we'll put our kisses on to finish these up. Alright, so I'll see you guys shortly. Alright guys, so here we go. Got our cookies. So what we're going to do, as soon as we pull them out, we're going to push the Hershey's Kiss right down the middle there. Yes. See if we can get one that has a nice little thing in it. Ooh, these turned out nice. They smell really good. Alright, so sure we go here. Just put them in there. Alright. Okay. Oop. Probably put a little bit too much on that one. So, okay guys, we're going to let these cool for about 5 minutes before we put them over on the rack. And then we'll wait a little longer and give it a taste and see how they go. Alright, here we go guys. Okay guys, it has been about 5 minutes. So we're going to attempt to take these off and lay them on the wire rack here for cooling. These things smell so good. Alright. They're still very, very soft. So they're going to need a little bit more cooling before we do it. They smell so good, guys. Alright. So Alright, so there we go. I'm gonna let them cool a little bit longer, then we'll do our taste test. Alright, so they do smell good, guys. So I'll see you here in a few minutes, but I'm gonna let them cool even a little longer. Hopefully they'll firm up a little bit more. Alright, so here we go. Okay guys, let these cool for several minutes. They have firmed up, so I'm going to go ahead and give them a try. Of course, these are the peanut butter, simple peanut butter bloom cookies. So as you can see, they look like a little flower. So we're going to give these a try and see how they taste now. So here we go. Oh my gosh. Tastes so good. The chocolate, you can see it, it's still melty. Tastes good. My gosh. It's got the good peanut butter flavor. You watch my channel, I do a lot of peanut butter recipes with peanut butter in it, but got a lot of peanut butter around. So, alright, well, guys, this is the peanut butter bloom cookies. Simple peanut buttery bloom cookies, something that anybody should be able to make. So, and if you saw that I used the parchment paper, hey, keep it, all what you got to do to clean that off is pull the paper up and you're done. So, alright guys, well, I'm going to finish this off, but if you, please leave a comment below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I do a cooking video like this. I try to get one out on Saturday, every Saturday. Occasionally I miss a Saturday, but I've been doing pretty good here, getting one out. So I also do some test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos. As things get kind of back to normal, I'll be doing more of the sightseeing and adventure videos as well. So, alright guys, well, see you next video. You guys enjoy the day the Lord has given you. Good cookies. Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making some simple peanut butter bloom cookies. Peanut butter. Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making peanut butter